Welcome sa zip9.com. This video tutuloy natin yung ating series on direct and inverse proportions. No? So, kung sinusundan nyo yung ating series, no? Sinusolve natin tong problem na to and ito yung pinakaunang problem natin sa video or sa series of videos natin. Ang situation dito is gusto ni Sarah i-weigh yung 500 sheets of bond paper. Kaso 100, less than 100 na lang yung natira sa kanya. So, para ma-estimate niya, winay niya yung 10 pieces and found that it is 45 grams, no? So, fill in the table below to find the weight per column, no? So, nung winay niya yung 10, naging 45. Siyempre, pag dinoble niya yung 10, magiging 20. Matodoble din yung weight niya, no? So, pag tinriple niya to, magiging triple rin yan. Yun ang sinasabi natin na direct proportion and we have discussed that already in the previous video. So, hindi ko na i-discuss dito, no? So, balikan nyo na lang. Now, ang gusto kong i-discuss dito is gusto kong balikan yung diniscuss natin from the video before this, yung tinatawag natin na ano ang relationship nitong dalawang quantities na to if we let this the number of sheets be x and the weight be y. Then, yung y over x is actually 4.5, no? So, kahit saan yan, kahit saan ka pumili dyan ng numbers mo, pair of numbers, for example, 90 divided by 20. So, 90 divided by 20 is 4.5, no? O kaya, dito ka sa 40 o 180 over 40, that's also 4.5, no? Ang pinaka original niyan dito ay 10 over 45. This 45 over 10 is still 4.5. Now, ang tawag natin sa 4.5 na yan ay constant of proportionality. So, 4.5 is the constant of proportionality. Now, since y over x equals 4.5, if we multiply both sides by x, makagawa tayo ng equation, another equation which is y equals 4.5x, no? And using this equation, no, pwede na natin i-solve kung ilan yung 500 pieces, kung ano yung weight ng 500 pieces of bond paper or 500 sheets of bond paper. Since yung number of sheets natin ay x, therefore we can just substitute 500 here, no? Tama ba? So, y equals 4.5 times 500. That is equal to 2,250. No? So, ito na yung sagot dito. So, 2,250. Ito in grams ito. Okay? So, this is another solution. Kung mapapansin nyo, or kung napanood nyo yung mga previous videos, para maging 500, i-multiply natin tong 10 by 50, no? Kasi we can get the we can get 500 pieces by multiplying 50. And syempre pag i-multiply natin ng 50 para makuha yung 500, we also multiply this by 50. That's 45 times 50, which is also equal to 2,250. Okay, so anong ibig sabihin nito, no? Kung meron ka palang constant, kung meron ka palang direct proportion na relationship, pwede mo pala siyang i-write in terms of equation, no? Pag constant proportion. And of course, kung napag-aaralan nyo na yung slope, the slope is actually the constant of proportionality. This is a linear equation, di ba? Y equals mx. Ang m natin is slope, but in this context, yun ang ating constant of proportionality. Okay, so bago tayo magtapos, ay solve natin tong isang problem, no? So, investigate the length of the wire and its weight in the table below. Find the weight of the same wire whose length is 150 meters. Okay, so paano nangyari naging 150 yung 10, no? Anong multiply natin sa 10 para maging 150? No? Using the yung old method natin. 10 times 15 is 150. 4 times 15. So, nag-times tayo ng 15 dito sa taas. We multiply by 15. Therefore, we also multiply by 15. This is times 15. This becomes 60, no? 4 times 15 is 60. So, this is 60. Oh, not meters, but grams. Kilograms pala. Find the constant of proportionality. No? So, alin ang x natin? Ito yung x natin. Ito yung y natin. What is y over x? Y over x is equal to 4 over 10, which is equal to 2/5. No? Okay. Meaning, if we multiply both sides by x, then y equals 2/5 x. Okay? And ang 2/5 yung ating constant of proportionality. And then, yung ating relationship is y equals 2/5 x. Of course, pwede pa rin y over x equals 2/5. But still, gusto natin maging equation siya na similar to a linear equation. Okay? So, this is one way of solving the problem. Pwede na natin gamitin itong equation na to solve for this number, yung 60 na sagot natin, di ba? We just multiply 2/5 by x, no? So, we just substitute y equals 2/5 x and y equals 2/5 times, ano yung hinahanap natin? Yung x is 150, di ba? Nahanap natin yung corresponding weight niya. So, times 150, y equals, this will cancel out. Magiging 30, magiging 1. 30 times 2. This is 60. So, y equals 60. Okay? So, yan yung silbi ng ating constant of proportionality. No? Sa geometry, sa similarity, and other geometric applications, may mga rin to, may mga implications din tong mga ganito. No? So, pag-aaralan natin yan sa susunod na mga videos natin. And tingnan natin kung ano ba yung gamit na constant of proportionality sa konsepto kagaya ng similarity of triangles. Okay, so that's it. Gusto ko i-invite sa zipnayan.com, ang ating website. And kung kayo nanonood sa YouTube, invite ko kayong mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. Marami tayong videos yan, more than 600 na as of this recording. No? See you in the next tutorial.